so here's some tips for Google email. Every once in a while, you look at your inbox and there'll be 1,000 or more emails that are just sitting here, and many of them we don't even need to look at. So this is what happened in this particular email that I have. So one suggestion that was mentioned that is pretty neat to do is to create a folder. So somewhere in this list might be some important email that I need to search for later in the search box. So I don't want to delete all of these emails. So what I can do is scroll down here where you have your folders. It says More. Keep scrolling down and you'll see Create a New Label. Now this is going to create a folder, so you could put the title Old Emails, for example, and we will create this folder. So now you have a folder in here titled Old Emails. There it is. So go back down and create another label or folder, and you're going to put the date, today's date, whenever you're going to purge these emails. Go ahead and put that date, which we're in November 1st already. And we're going to nest label under and choose Old Emails, that first folder we created. So create there. So now we'll need to select here to select all. And you'll see this blue link here that says select all of them, the emails that are in this primary section of your email. So we're going to click that. So they're all selected. Now you'll go up to this folder with the arrow and it says Move To. And we're going to go here to Old Emails with the date. And confirm bulk action. You say OK. And give it a minute. And it's going to move all of those emails into that folder that you created, into that label. So you can always search for them, but you don't have to deal with them. There will, it says that it's empty, but for some reason I think that Gmail likes to leave some email in your primary account. So this says 150 of many, so 1 through 50. So there's like 30 to 50 emails that'll always be here, but they are currently in this old emails folder that we created. So now you'll see, there you go. Here's all your emails, and then you have still these in your inbox to select. If you ever need to search for something, you can search and then it'll pop up here after you search for it. So I thought that was a pretty nifty tool, rather than going through and clicking every single email or select all, delete, or search. You can also search for a specific one and then delete all of those, but it takes a lot of time and we don't want to spend time deleting all our emails. So just create a label, put it to the side, and move on. Now, if you want to delete a complete section, for example, this one under social, I want to delete all of these. So I'm going to select all, select the 1,000 that are in there, and just click delete. And yes, I'm sure I want to delete all of them because there's nothing in there that's important for me right now. Give it a minute, and there you go. Your social tab is empty. And like I said, it shoots like 1 to 50 back, but if you do want to completely delete it, you can keep deleting those, and eventually they'll all be out of there if you want to completely delete something. Same thing if you wanted to keep some of these in the promotions, or you can make another label for promotions. However you want to do it, you can label your emails. So I thought that was a nifty trick to save us time rather than going through all of our old emails. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions, give it a like, and any suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks.